didn't know this be a player. We gonna practice at home. Come on, get your purse.
Hanging out the window with my Russian ass friends. Step on bitches!
Look how big this mug is.
I didn't turn it off. You see that? It was.
Got the TV, got the plug. This looks cute.
Look, I got my plug.
And it's a bin.
Check this.
What's good?
Bye, Papa.
What that say? No.
I really want to.
Say hey.
Ready?
Hey, Timmy!
I'm walking too.
Yang yang.
Tag me.
Say hey. We got CC on the breakfast. Say hey, CC. We got CC on the breakfast. Good morning. Good morning. Who was I watching? I was watching All American last night. Good morning, Marcus. He's showing off the muscles. He's showing off the muscles. We got our family reunion shirts. These is so cute. Oh my god. I so wish I had my orange Crocs or some green ones.
Some pretty shoes. She said you down there though.
Cool. We got the nanners. Let me hit that.
Shoot it off.
I'm just playing. See on the drink. She's gonna have a kid. Breakfast is done. Breakfast is served. CJ knocked out. This is what I got on. This is what I got on, guys. Look at the thing, the backdrop. No, because why would you be looking at me in the picture? This is the photo thing, y'all. This is what our meal is coming like. We got the fish, the beer bowl, the spaghetti, and the corn. Go ahead, Corey, with your basket. We are at Topgolf. Mari is swinging. Them our names up there. Hey, you sneaker bar, y'all. To even show y'all, I'm tripping. This was the whole point of the trip for the family reunion. Somebody over there singing. Oh, that's Miko, y'all. Y'all probably can't hear. We at this place called Nitro Zone. There's supposed to be a lot of stuff to do in here. No outside food permitted, so if y'all get that food, y'all can come back. It say fun lives here. Please fill out the waiver before you step in line. ID. We at the bowling alley at Nitro. Yeah, we say give her a few minutes for the lemonade. So yeah, we at the bowling park, guys, and we finna bowl and take some shots. I lost again, folks. This is too crazy. I lost. Even though we ain't had no car, they let us order, so we over here waiting on our food. We both got chicken tenders. They got wings and things. We walked through the drive-thru, but they act like they didn't see us. But they let us slide. Shout out to Zaxby's. Shout out to that manager on wherever street we on. Shout out to you. I'm back at home, y'all. I know that Atlanta vlog is gonna be short, so I'm gonna have y'all come shop with me if I'm not scared to record, you know. Cause I already know me going shopping by myself. Then recording is just doing too much. But yeah, y'all come shop with me. I'm trying to find my nana some stuff for her 60th birthday. It already passed, but we was out of town, so yeah. Burlington be having that shit. Look at these, some BB hot cones. Luckily, I'm not here for myself. I'm trying to find a gift, but I keep seeing stuff that I want. These are so cute. Hey, Nana. We on the way to Ruth, guys. You drunk yours already? Nice. Maybe because I held my nose, that's why.
I should have had shots before the school got on there. I'm too afraid.
I can't even hold my nose.
It's really gonna turn into a
You gotta hold your nose. This still player. I'm gonna teach you how to take shots at home.
You just hold your breath or something. Just take it.
We gonna practice at home. Come on, get your practice.
Y'all, they both nice. They got hookah. That's it. Say hey, Heaven. Hey, girl. Say hey, Nigel. Say hey, Denita. Don't hide, boo.
Send me your footage.
Say hey, Leah. Say hey, Bree. Say hey, Naya. Period, boo.
So, this is my camera phone.
This me, y'all. I look a mess. Oh my god.
I got you.
Everybody talking down. Look, see?
Girl, get the fuck out of here. You said that nigga was stressing you out. What you need some do say.
Definitely do.
This shot number 1. Okay, so how you take yours? What?
Oh, wait, you ain't number 1. Wait, let me
Trying to tell me how to live.
Happy birthday, Heaven. Happy birthday, Heaven.
She got me drinking Douce. What the fuck is Douce, bro? Hey.
You didn't take you out. I'm waiting on you. I didn't want you to
Real ass bitch, give a fuck about a nigga. Big Birkin bag, hold 5, 6 figures. Stripes on my ass, so we call this pussy tigger. Fucking on this scamming ass, bitch ass nigga.
I've been on the stairs, and I'm losing my mind. Now look at her.
Don't play. Do not play.
Drop a couple racks, watch his ass get bigger. Tricking on licking, I'm looking at your nigga. If it's money right, he can eat it like a sticker. I ain't got time for you fake ass hoes. Talking all loud in them fake ass clothes. Fake ass shoes, but that fake ass cold. I'm the realest bitch ever see snake ass hoe. Act up, you can get snatched up. Act up, you can get snatched up. Act up, you can get snatched up. 30 ass ass, baby girl, you need to back up. It's your Miami and I can't run my stack up. Tired ass hoes in my page tryna track up. Brand new chain, city girls going platinum. I keep a baby got, I ain't fighting with no man. Real ass bitch, give a fuck about a nigga. Big Birkin bag, hold 5, 6 figures. Stripes on my ass, so he call his pussy tigger. Fucking on a scamming ass, rich ass nigga. Same group of bitches, ain't no ass to the picture. Drop a couple racks, watch his ass get bigger. Tricking on licking, I'm looking at your nigga. If it's money right, he can eat it like a sticker. I ain't got time for you fake ass hoes. Talking all loud in them fake ass clothes. Fake ass shoes, but that fake ass cold. I'm the realest bitch ever see snake ass hoes.
Whatever. Hold on. I like that.
Listen to her tell this story.
I said, Tat, this is what he drink at home, nigga. They got purifier at home. I give him that water. He said, that ain't right.
It ain't.
Right.
It ain't.
I said, baby, what's wrong with it? He said, he tasted it again. He said,
Water got flavor.
I don't know, bro. It's something wrong with that. I ain't gonna lie.
Water has a
It's
flavor.
something wrong. They have to bring me a Sprite in my life. I said, let me taste this. I said,
Did it
baby,
taste funny?
look.
Why is this not balanced?
I said, baby, it's just tap water. No bullshit. This 22-year-old said, what the fuck is tap water?
Because clearly he was not drinking out the
His
sink as a
family
kid.
buy cases of water by the 48 pack. So he don't know what tap water is. And he don't know what regular tap water is. He think that's purifier at home. I said, baby, that's regular tap water. He said, you tell them take that off the menu.
I don't even like putting tap water in my food.
No, usually they're.
I don't even put tap water in my hookah. I use bottled water.
New Berlin's water is not good, but this don't taste like it.
We ain't in New Berlin, is we?
I mean, we're on the border of it, basically.
But they
Kevin Gates say, I'm sorry, Torrance. I'm finna zoom in.
He be too eat. He said, cause I be on the spiritual shit. You know what I'm saying? I run my bitch back. No, I can't even give you all my secrets. Nigga, you run a bag like nigga said I can't give you all my secrets. You run her bag. Like, I run her bag, get the massage on her booty. He said, I like to eat booty off of my tongue and you split that motherfucker. I can't even let y'all know all that. It's 4 pictures of it. Did you pick all those?
Look at my food, y'all. I'm trying something new. We got the Dallas
When you come in my
filet,
room, let me know.
the corn, and the loaded mash. We're gonna see what this talking like.
Okay, charge your phone.
I never had a Dallas filet before.
It's like a filet mignon.
Wait, y'all, I thought I ordered something.
That's
I
it.
switched it. Yeah, you I'll be indecisive as fuck.
I gotta ask that. Get off.
Alright, so when you're everyone in the restaurant, you use that.
Everybody in the restaurant? Oh yeah. Oh yeah. I'm ready.
Around your head like your cowgirl, right?
Okay.
Ready? Attention Texas Roadhouse! We have a very special
Yeah. Ooh.
Because if you sow in the spirit, you reap of the spirit. Are you listening to me? And that's why you got to be careful with what you feed yourself. Because you're going to reap that. It's coming back. No. Listen, man, listen. You can give money and be stingy. You're going to reap that. You're going to need help. God going to wait till you need help. God going to wait till you need a helping hand. God going to wait till you need a way out of no way. And then God says, now it's time to reap what you sowed.
Getting my makeup done, y'all. Barbie and full of it.
See, the one thing about
I'm gonna show
women,
y'all at the end
they
because
got a
y'all always see me
reason
with
why
my makeup done.
they
So
don't feel like they
I'm
broke
not
your
gonna
heart.
bore you all, but
But a nigga can feel like my heart was broke. She can say that and feel like, what?
See, even this feel weird. Imagine if they was like 10 times bigger. They already feel weird.
I'm dressed strong. I came to the conclusion that I need my own personal photographer. Say Bratz, nails, celebrity nail tech. Got the shirt. It says there's more where this came from. The skirt and the boots. Gonna be time for the party. Shots. Hot taste. It tastes bad.
All this shit nasty.
But yeah, all liquor is nasty. You just gotta find the one you can kind of tolerate.
No, some of them be good.
Want a shot?
I'm gonna try. Let me get this one. Get the lime juice ready. I gotta sit this up because I ain't trying to.
Good thing I didn't spill it. I'm curious for that one.
The login be hard as bitch.
I want to get me a camera so bad. Not for vlogging though. That ain't mine.
I don't know if I should have you pour it. Pour a little bit.
Okay.
This bitch really poured a little bit. A little more than that.
Oh my God, Samir, you drinking now? That's how I know it's lit. Turn the fuck up tonight.
Not that's how I know it's lit.
I took so many shots of Crown Royal the other day.
I
was not drunk.
The peach was good. Peach Crown Royal is good.
It was good.
love Crown.
Bye.